If you're tired of typing in passwords every time you log into a website, using a password manager can save you a ton of time and effort. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use a password manager to speed up your daily logins. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access all your accounts with just a few clicks. No more password hunting. First, let's talk about setting up your password manager. Download your chosen software and create an account. This software will store all your passwords securely and autofill them on websites and apps. Most password managers will prompt you to install a browser extension, which is essential for autofilling login forms. Follow the steps on the screen to get that installed. It's quick and easy. Once you have the software set up, you'll want to start adding your accounts. Most password managers have a feature that automatically detects when you log into a new website and asks if you'd like to save your credentials. So, when you log into your favorite websites, the software will store your username and password for future use. If it doesn't prompt you automatically, you can manually add accounts by selecting the Add Password option in the software. This will let you enter the website, your username and password. Some tools even allow you to organize your passwords by categories, like social media, banking, or shopping, so they're easy to find. The real time saver comes next, autofill. Once your passwords are stored, the software will automatically fill in your login details when you visit those sites. No more typing in your email, username, or password. This is especially useful for sites with complex passwords that are difficult to remember. You'll be logged in a matter of seconds, one click, and you're in. Next, consider enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Many password managers offer an integrated 2FA option. This adds an extra layer of security while still keeping things convenient. When you log into a site that requires 2FA, the password manager will prompt you for the code automatically. This keeps your account secure without slowing down the login process. For an even smoother experience, set up your password manager to sync across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your passwords will be available wherever you need them. This eliminates the hassle of having to look up passwords on one device while you're using another. Now, if you're thinking of trying this out, I've got something special for you. The software we're using in this tutorial offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You can find the link to that in the description below. If you're ready to start speeding up your daily logins, this is your chance to follow along with the video. To wrap things up, the key takeaway here is that using a password manager can significantly speed up your logins while keeping your accounts secure. The steps are simple. Install the software, save your passwords, enable autofill, and take advantage of syncing across devices. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial. Check the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.